Hello, in this video I'd like to share some software projects that I've recently created that are related to the game of Go. The very first one, which has been demonstrated already, is the progressive web application that I've developed, essentially optimized for mobile devices, and I have a video on the channel that effectively shows how this can be used on a smartphone. But just to recall the memories for those who probably didn't see the previous videos. So here we can play against the AI in two levels of strength. So the Dan level and the Q level. I can switch to the Q level. It would be making weaker moves generally. So yeah, you can switch back to Dan level. It would be making like stronger moves. So far so good. This is like quite clear. So the update number one, first thing I did was porting the TensorFlow neural net from Katago, from like Python format, say module format, to TensorFlow JS format. And the module is hosted online on my GitHub IO. So fetched once, then the module is loaded, then the weights are pre-cached here. So let me just quickly show you the project. So github.com. Yeah, I'm running this on an X11 desktop because otherwise the video recording software is not working properly, so it's not set up here perfectly, and yeah, there are some issues with the display, but anyway, this should just work nicely. And then GTP.js. Yeah, so here I have a wrapper, the GTP wrapper for my engine. So I'm running the browser code in the Node.js using some hacks here, and it's not using the WebGL driver because it's not available within the Node.js environment, and I'm not using TensorFlow.js for Node.js because it like weighs like 500 megabytes, too complicated to install, and I don't have enough memory in my Raspberry Pi 5, so yeah, just don't want to go for that. Anyway, can now demonstrate how the GTP version of this exact same application is essentially working. So let's go to program, attach, edit programs just to make sure, edit, Node.js, home, CMK. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, should be fine. So I try to attach BWA GoBot, and yeah, it takes time because it needs to download, like connect TensorFlow.js, all this stuff. Let's see the GTP shell here. Yeah, it tells you that you're using Node.js for a browser, and it's not as good, but I don't care. So program, it should be playing as Whitestones. Yeah, so I just play. So move is sent. Then the gen move command goes. It's much slower than the progressive web application version powered by WebGL, so it's much slower, but still it works. And this allows us to do the following kind of thing. Yeah, so it still works. Not the best move, but just for the purpose of the randomization, the very first moves are not done like the best moves, maybe one of first 3 or 5 moves. Okay, so this can be played over the internet, which is cool. So just close this one, don't save. And there is, so in order to play on KGS, there is a KGS GTP project that can connect the GTP engine to play on the internet on KGS server. So I'm going to log in with my normal KGS account. Okay, and then I'm going to the computer Go room. So my bot is not here at the moment, so I will now start the bot and show you how this is going to work. I'll get run terminal, but doesn't care. So cd desktop, and KGS and Java minus jar config kjs gtb config ini. Okay, so it starts the engine in the background. Yeah, okay, so join challenge. So it should have created a challenge at the moment already. And yeah, this is it. BWA GoBot, the Katago net with no account research. So we can join the game. This is the free game. So okay, and just to give an idea, so it says like, yeah, so sends the move, generates the move. Yeah, here I play white. So now I'm playing against my GTP engine over the internet via the KGS bot. Okay, so this is how it works. But this is not yet it. So this was the recent update that I don't remember if I announced this or not. Probably I just made a README notification in the README file. Anyway, so I just want to resign this. I'm not going to play resign, and yeah, it says like probably should say that resign. Game ended, starting another. Yeah, result black resigned, starting another game, and it starts the new game again automatically. So it has been playing for quite a bit of time. If you have a look at the games that has been played by this bot. Okay, let me quickly search like this. Okay, games. So plenty of games here. It's still mentioned as ongoing for some unknown reason. I don't know why, but essentially the result is already there. So it beats the one done player. Yeah. Yeah, obviously bits Q plus, 3 done player bits the bot. Okay, so it's around KJS 1 done, maybe KJS 2 done at most, somewhere like that. Now, another interesting problem, let's say. So there are different ranking systems across different websites. And if we're talking about KGS or OGS or Fox, then there are tables that do explain how ranks relate to each other on different websites. For example, OGS one down is around. Fox one down is around OGS 4Q, and like KGS 6Q is around OGS 8Q, etc. But there is an interesting website. I will now show you the website I'm mentioning. There is an interesting website that is called playok.com. I've been playing there for quite a bit of time. You can log in as a guest. You can create as many guest accounts as you want. You can play rated games from the guest account, which is super cool for training purposes. Yeah. And here the ratings. There are no ranks like Dan or Q, but there are just these numbers like the rating, Elo rating. But these numbers do not say much in regards to the playing strength of the opponent. So I was thinking that if I have a program, an AI program that has more or less clear rank on KJS, like around KJS 1 done, so what rating here in Playok at playok.com is relevant to KJS 1 done? So if somebody from here would be like beating my program, and at what rank would that happen? So that's how I can know the rank. So when I try the Q level program, I already make some tests for the Q level AI that I made. So there, it's like Fox 1 done. So the done level is greater than Fox 1 done. It's around KJS 1 done, but KJS 1 done is like much bigger than Fox 1 done. Fox 1 done, maybe not much bigger, but just bigger. And the Q level of my AI was like, again, it's not my AI, it's just all Katago net. So the Q level was like Fox 1 done, so around 50% win rate on Fox for the Q level AI, and that's around OGS for Q, okay? And here it's around 100 and 1150, yeah, so 1150 rating. So 1115 rating is around even to Fox One done. So here, guys who has like 1150, like this one. So this guy should be around Fox One done. Okay. And I even made a table. Let me quickly show you the table. That's available in the source code that is private. I'm not going to publish that. I think never. But I just want to show you this. Yeah, so the ranks. So from 1150 to 1180, I treat this as one done. So assuming the Fox ratings. So, but it turns out that like those that are more than 1390 are treated to be like 9 done, which is probably not true. So I need to adjust this table, and that's one of the main goals that I have for this project. So there are a couple of approaches to do it. And the first approach, the one that I've been doing earlier, is the visual recognition, when you just open the game on one side. Well, 9 by let's try some 19 by 90. So one of the approaches I made, like visually recognizing the last move being made on board, and then the script that runs a GTP engine converts the screen coordinates to the best move back and forth, and moves the mouse to where the stone should be placed and triggers the click event. So that's how I tried playing the Katago engine here on playok.com. I had many videos on that, but that's not very I don't know, efficient way of doing things. And I had two ideas in mind. So the first idea in mind I had was to make a custom client for Playok to play Go. And at least two reasons. First, I don't quite like the interface, although it's quite cool and minimalist, which I like, but I really like the black and white stones on the whiteboard. And also, I would like to convert the rate and elo rating numbers to sort of a rank estimation. So it took me plenty of time to reverse engineer the WebSocket connection, which this applications go through. So if I just upload this, I just update this. So we have WebSocket. So this is the address of playok.com, the port 17003. WS stands for WebSocket. This should be the secure WebSocket, WSS. Yeah, WSS, secure WebSocket. And once you've connected here, within the response, you have a hell lot of messages telling you about the state of game and many different things. So for instance, in a mode where we're about to pick up a game, so all this data is passed here as messages, and then it's rendered on the client side. And by the way, this entirely runs on the client side, which is cool. In my case, I use Node.js to connect to the WebSocket to the WebSocket. That's an electronjs app that I'm using. I made an electronjs app. So on the back end, with a Node.js, I'm using the null origin. The null origin is required to connect to the WebSocket. Otherwise, if I try to run the HTTP or HTTPS server and try to connect from the front end, it's not working. And due to security policies, I'm not able to change the headers, so they are not about to be changed. But I can do this. I can change the headers manually if I run the WebSocket on the backend via the Node.js. So, but in this case, I also need some UI, preferably in JavaScript, because I've written the GoBound.js library that I'm using in my application to play with an AI, and exactly the same library I used to make a client. So what I did was reverse engineering these codes and try to make the functionality that allows you to play on this website, but from the custom client. And after that, the most recent change I made was connecting the AI that I've developed recently, not the AI, but all the system to query the Katago network from JavaScript. And eventually I can click the button to make an AI mover that is being sent via the WebSocket to the player playing with. So it's not 100% automated, but anyway, I just wanted to give an idea, like in regards to the amount of work that has been done to reverse engineer this code, and we'll still be using this to inspect how my custom client is working. Okay, so the username that I'm using starts with as DKF 1983G, if I'm not mistaken. That's the username, yeah. So it's not found on the web page because that guy is not connected. We'll now connect him. Okay. So I already started the shell script that essentially does the npm start command to run the electronjs app. So click execute here. And okay, yeah, it appears here. Okay, something got wrong with the layout for some reason. This is so weird. Okay, let me just. Oh, that's because that's because of the X11 display. I've been testing this on Wayland, and on Wayland this works much better. So let me. Oh, I cannot even. Oh, this is so weird. I cannot adjust it. And the full screen doesn't help much either. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I need to make some. Yes, let me just try Genome Terminal. I'm going to cd desktop Playok, go client main.js, and I wonder, set resizable false. So I just comment out this line for a while. Yeah, I'm sorry. Now this should work. I mean, this should be resizable now. Okay. Oh, it even gets fixed just right, straight ahead. Oh, cool. Yeah, probably I just should remove that. Yeah, now it works perfectly well just by commenting that single line. Okay, yeah, let's go to full screen mode. So this table here represents the plain tables available on playok.com. So this hash symbol and number is the number of a table. So like this one is empty, then the next, like somebody around 5 down connects as white player, and you can play against him. Yeah, so it's like just a logging here. Okay. But also, if we now try to search, you see, like now this player has bin found, all right? So I'll probably first demonstrate the capabilities of the client. So I just create a new game, and let's make it non-rated because I will resign the game quickly. So table 180, and sorry. So 180, here it is, yeah? So I'm going to 180, join the table, and play as Y player. So now me as the user, this one plays against the user that is logged in here. So start here, and also I click start button here. And the game has started. So this guy plays the move, okay, receives the move, plays the move back, and plays the move. But interestingly, so I can click this button, which is the evaluation, shows like how likely who is about to win in points, and also I can make an AI move. So this is like the AI move. I cannot do this twice because it's not my turn. So player plays the move, and here if I press this button, AI responds. So this is the idea. So the buttons I have here, like join table, leave table. While you've joined the table, you can either play black or play white. Trigger the start event. This is the pass button. This is the resign button. This is the eval button, like evaluate the position. And this is the button to, if you don't want to play on your own, you can play. You can click this button and AI would use the neural net to make a move and would send the move to the WebSocket, meanwhile rendering the move on the board. So this is by pressing this button, I can use the AI move as a response. I can just press this button all the time so that AI plays the entire game. I can try to arrange some opening and then ask for the AI assistance or any other. So I can use this button just a couple of times in a game, like to solve the life and death, for instance, or something. But this AI is generally vulnerable to tactical issues, tactical problems, because it doesn't have the multi-code tree search, so just a bare net, which is vulnerable generally to tactical blunders. Okay, and finally connect, just to re-establish the connection to the WebSocket. Okay, I hope this kind of makes sense. So here I just want to say resign, player 2 resigns. Yeah, so player 1, good. And say I just go away, and here it shows like player 1 left the game, etc., etc. So if I go up, I mean like leave in the table, now again I can see those games going on. So we would now try to pick up an opponent. Yeah, let's take this 7 done. So 167, and try to play as whites. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, 9 done. 9 done. Okay, and yeah, let's start. Yeah, this is cool. 9 done, player. Like, okay. Okay, I just play a few moves on my own just to give just to get the position that I usually have in my games. And after a few moves, I would start using AI, so that yeah, just to measure the strength of this of what is estimated to be the 9 done. Yeah, we can also watch this game on the original Playok website. I probably, so he's about to attach here if I don't play this move, which is the general plan. But yeah, probably I just play here for now. Okay. Yeah, and just to show you, so this is like, okay, probably establish a base here. So what about the evaluation? White slightly leading, but that's fine. So 167. So if we go to the game 167 here, you see like the game that I'm playing now, this one, you can obviously watch the game from here. Okay, so it also shows the players connected from the same address. Okay, so yeah, let's try some AI moves from now on. So I will be pressing this AI button to make one of early Katago networks playing against this guy. So yeah, let's go. Again, I'm just trying to measure the accuracy of my rank estimation table, because like 9 done is too high value for him. And again, those treated to be 9 done are not real 9 duns. They are just about 1390, I guess. Let me see the, okay. Where is my ranking table? My ranking table, yeah, here is my ranking table. Yeah, here is my ranking table. So like those that are higher than 1390 traded to be the 9 done, but obviously this is not true. So I need to adjust these values to make it more precise, because it's very important for a human player to realize the some of the meaningful value for the yeah. What's the time control? Because I don't have the time control here. That's quite good. Okay, let's make a move. Okay, so it's quite important for human players to estimate the the playing strength of the opponent. Yeah, because otherwise, like the numbers like this are not really meaningful because they're specific to the Playok website and nothing else but this. Okay, so it's hard to say like 1970 how strong is that, and my estimation is around Fox 6Q, something like this. But I'm using like 30 points per rank per stone. You might think of it. Yes, like one stone stronger, like 30 points stronger. But yeah, this needs to be adjusted, so that's the reason why I'm playing. Okay, let's keep going with the game. So I think that this guy should be quite strong. I think he would outplay the neural net tactically, which would be fair. But I don't really think he's like 9 done. So my goal is to find which rating at playok.com is the highest that my program can beat. Let's say my program can beat player of 1350. Okay, and in this case, if I'm like reassured that my program can beat players like 1350, maybe 1370 in this range, this would mean that 1350 is around KGS 1 done because my program has been played many games at KGS and it's about KGS 1 done. So we would know that at play OK, say 1350 is roughly even to KGS 1 done. This might be also thought as Fox ranks as well, surely. But yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter which one in particular. Just the relative difference matters here. So definitely that makes sense. And once I can calibrate my rank estimation table in this client, then when I'm playing as a human player, like I'm not using AI for cheating. I'm using this only for testing purposes and for measuring the ranks. Okay, and again, this is just a guest account, so it's going to be garbaged anyway. Yeah. So, and to be very honest, people do not care much about ratings at this website. There are some free games there. It's possible to play a free game, but again, you can create new account every time, so you don't care much about it. And again, this is not a super strong kind of thing, so it's not Katago, it's like no stronger than KJS one down. So for stronger players, it's like as if they're playing a human player. Okay. What about the estimation? So black leads 2.9. So this means that neural net thinks that the human player who plays the black stones is doing quite good, at least even. Okay. This is good. Yeah, if there are some tactical complications, the most likely my neural net is going to fail. Because even I can beat this AI if I do tones of undo. That's my way of practicing, by the way. Yeah. My current rank on KGS is 6Q. Again, my practical strength is lower than the understanding of the game. But yeah, since I cannot do undo on KGS, I can, but yeah, I don't do that. So, like, the practical playing strength I have is not high, but the understanding is bigger. But anyway, because of the tactical vulnerabilities, when I play with my I can win, and again, that's my way to practice. As if like I've been playing a done player, like one doesn't play on KGS, but like he uses like less than a second to make a move, and I can think and I can take the moves back. So like he is vulnerable to tactical blunders, and I may exploit that and build the plans, and etc. etc. So a very interesting way of practicing, and combined with this Playok WebSocket being reverse engineered to make this custom client, I think this is really cool to really like truly measure the playing strength of the guys here, because I don't like playing on Fox. One of the reasons is because I can do it either on Windows, which I hate, or on x86 architectured CPU using the custom Linux client that one guy built once. But on my Raspberry Pi, where I'm currently shooting this video, I cannot run that because of the CPU architecture. So this is like ARM version 7, I guess. So I cannot run that Fox client here. Okay, it's his turn. Yeah, he thinks. Okay, he thinks. And I don't quite like KGS because I don't like how the board looks there. So, like from the graphical design perspective, I could be playing at Playok in the browser, but again, the visual representation how the board looks there. Again, the board there looks like this, which is not super exciting. And also, yeah, just I don't really understand these numbers. So, like, how strong this 1475, like, so rank representation estimation would be a more appropriate way of doing things. Okay. And for that sake, all this work, all this hard work that I've done. Yeah, and yeah, guys, I just enjoy doing this so much. This testing technical stuff. This is just so exciting. Yeah, yeah. This is an incredible feeling when you do reverse engineer the WebSocket. So it's not meant to be used that way, but you use it that way, and this feels like super cool. And again, one of the reasons why I don't expose this program in public. So it's on my GitHub, but it's a private project, so it can only be downloaded from my account, or if someone collaborates. But yeah, so it's not public. So there are at least two reasons. So the first reason is that I don't really want people to use it for cheating purposes. Because again, I'm not using this for cheating. I'm using this for rank estimation, calibration. Once I get done with this, like I'm not going to use this button anymore. And yeah, well, maybe I will sometimes. My evil plan might be to use this sometimes, but yeah, it doesn't make sense because you need to learn to play on your own. Cheating doesn't make sense. Another reason is that it's not very user friendly, I would say. So I made this specifically for my very own needs. I love the way how the UI operates so much, but yeah, and I can't run it on Raspberry Pi because Node.js like interpreted stuff, not compiled. So this is cool, but for a regular user who is not a software developer, it might not be a very intuitive how to use this application. So this is more like a lab than production, I would say. More like a lab than a production. Okay, so so we got a cow here, a very interesting cow that would cut these stones. I think that probably black would now take the cow. I think black would take the cow now. Yeah, black does take the cow. And if it blocks, then it would just probably connect. This becomes vulnerable then, but maybe this stones can be killed. I'm not quite sure. I think, okay, no, it still plays. Oh, this is another threat. Whoa, interesting. Yeah. But does black have co-threats? It's the very beginning of the game. It doesn't seem that black has much co-threats, so it probably white would just play here and he's fine. Yeah. So yeah, go for white. It's not very good shape, and it's not taking territory at all, but it destroys black's territory quite efficiently. So black needs to play somewhere in this area, trying to surround this white group, trying to kill it. If black manages to do this, it would win the game. On the other hand, white should try to run to connect with these stones. Okay, which he effectively does. I think cut comes here. Nope, cut does not come in here. Okay. So this is one eye. This is one eye now. Okay. Yeah, I think white is going to connect. I think white is going to connect. Yeah, this guy is like stronger than any other player that I've been playing before. Is the cut possible here? Even if it is possible, still, it probably white would manage to build two eyes here. Yeah, so blocks and then cut. Now it just does it this way. Yeah, just tries to improve the eye shape here. Yeah, this makes sense. Yeah, so black is not even trying to capture this because it probably sees that it's not possible. So yeah, instead it's trying to attack this group. But I don't think this group can be attacked efficiently, effectively as well. So what about the evaluation? Black leads by 20 points. So yeah, this guy beats the AI so far with an advantage of 20 points, which is super cool. Yeah. Yeah, and this makes me one step closer to recalibrating the rank estimation. Yeah, because it shouldn't be 9 done. So, let's say this particular rank is exactly like the edge of the level that can be this program. This would mean that it shouldn't be if I use Fox ranks as the estimation. It should be like around Fox 4 done or Fox 5 done. So I would need to change 9 done to say 4 done or 5 done respectively and go from there. But anyway, it's really exciting to watch the game. Also, learning from human players to like both tactically and strategically outplaying the bayonet, which is cool. Yeah, which is quite cool. Okay. Okay, black is about to build the Moyu in the center, which is interesting, yeah. So probably cut, nope. Oh, this shape feels a little bit too heavy. Well, I think cut here is a must-have move. Although this becomes a little bit in trouble, as well as this also might get in trouble. Probably this lives, I don't know. Okay. This is probably going to live because if black plays here, white extends. If black plays here, white takes the vital point and lives. Okay, yeah, so white leaves small on the side anyway. Okay. What about this? I probably need to jump out here. Oh, cool, he takes the... Whoa, he takes the corner. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, nice life here in the corner as well. Very nice life in the corner. So now white needs to play here, otherwise it would die on the side. So white is forced to play this move, yeah. Yeah, I understand something in Go. Cool. Okay. Um, yeah. Yeah, Black Moya looks quite big if it manages to maintain it to the end of game, till the end of game, which I'm not sure if he would be capable doing it. So hard to say. Whoa! Is this thing going to die? I wonder. This is interesting, yeah. This is interesting, yeah, really. Blocks, now probably black plays this way. No! Whoa, what? Oh, it's probably he thinks that this is just bigger than this, but I think that he I'm not sure if this works, like capturing this group. I'm not quite sure. Maybe this is just a tactical blunder. Uh, on the other hand, White is not in a hurry to try to kill this stone because he probably thinks that he's living anyway. I'm not sure. It's probably. Okay. I wonder about this group. This group might get in trouble. Really? Oh, I think AI gives up this group entirely. I think it just gives up this group. But yeah, look at the Moyo. Moyo is so big, so magnificent, so beautiful. Oh, trying to connect, but it would just cut there. So yeah, not good. It just feels like a waste of stones. Okay, what is this throw up? What is this throw up? You can play this and live still. This looks weird. This throw in is like just looks weird. I don't think this can ever work. Yeah. Or can it work if it... Oh, if... What if black plays this way? Yeah. Whoa. Interesting. Can you believe? So now this group is about to die if not careful. Now this group is about to die if not careful. But probably would build an eye in the corner anyway. So... Okay, if it plays this, then here. Then I guess this one, yeah, then here. And yeah, I think white lives. I think white lives with... Oh no! Hold on a sec. White is not living. Not that quick. Not that quick. Okay, runs out. Oh, it runs out destroying the Moyo. Well, I think if Black manages to kill this group and to maintain the Moyo, it may have chances to win. Let's have a look at the evaluation. Oh, Black leads by 51 points. Oh, hold on a sec. So I was saying that White leads. Oh, I probably meant the Black leads. You can rewind the video to check that out. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is interesting. So cool. Yeah, the game gets really exciting at this moment. Yeah, I need to make a move. I mean, AI needs to make a move. Yeah. White only needs to make a single eye to live this and also destroy this. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. Yeah, probably like here. Probably blocks. Yeah, I think blocks this way. Interesting. If it goes here. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Probably connects this, yeah. Yeah, this is getting really exciting now. This is getting really, really exciting. Try to exploit this cut, maybe, for white as the last chance. Maybe this... No, if it plays here, it just gets captured, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, protecting the cut. AI protects the cut. Whoa! Oh my goodness, yeah, and this is the tactical blunder. Now Eval should be like winning for white. Yeah, white leads by 8 points. Yeah, because white makes the second eye now in here. The first eye is here, the second eye is in here. And yeah, so AI loses the game here. AI is losing the game, yeah. And the Moyo has been destroyed as well. So now AI needs to somehow, yeah, fix the gaps, and yeah, white would be trying to destroy Moyo even more from now on. And I'm not sure if this is dead or alive. This is probably dead. I I guess this is that. Okay. Okay. He just blocks, yeah. Maybe he. Okay. Is this enough for life? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think White just killed Black group with this move. I think he just killed. Yeah. No, takes the stone, yeah. It doesn't even do that. Okay, it just keeps destroying the Moyo. Oh, hold on a sec. What about this group? Oh, it has turned upside down again, I guess. Whoa. Yeah, the game is getting more and more exciting. So now this is not dead because it would take these two stones for sure, and even threatening AI threatening to take this group now. I think the evaluation should be in Black's favor again now. Black 3 points. Not much, but a little bit. Assuming that this is going to die, I guess. Because if this is not going to die, then yeah, it's not going anywhere. Okay, hold on a sec. I think after this, maybe not. This move here, Terry here. Yeah, so this is not as disastrous as I thought initially. So here, yeah, probably this group should escape, or is it? If it plays here or here, or then just connects here, but then maybe I. Yeah, this is getting exciting. Yeah, this is getting really exciting. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, connects. So, yeah, but now, oh my goodness, it just connects here now. Oh, why would now connect this one? And okay, it doesn't connect. So black should connect this one, otherwise this is not. Oh, what are you doing? No, no, you should have connect. You should have connected here. Come on. I think this is the only move for black to keep struggling to try to win the game. Uh, was it? Wasn't it? So if white player here, black plays here and probably captures. So maybe now black plays there. Okay, finally, thank God he played there. Thank God he played there. Okay, so reducing the eye shape potentially. But gives up this so much. So maybe plays here now. I think black should play this spot. No. Oh, no way. Oh, this is just one eye. So now probably needs to protect. Yeah, so this is just one eye. Maybe not even an eye because just after this move off. Yeah, so it's not urgent really. Still. Now this is the vital point. So black should play here, I guess. Yeah, cool. Yeah, yeah. It's really pleasing when your thoughts and the AI thoughts are similar. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Uh, he probably realized that. Okay, no, he still tries to build a second eye here, and he may succeed doing that. Yeah, because AI is vulnerable to tactical blunders, so White still has some options to make some noise on the board. I don't know, maybe White can play here, no, here. Okay, so probably. Oh, what? Okay, if he plays here, then still. Okay, now you have to connect. I mean, cut. Yeah, have to cut. Uh, this is locally alive. Okay, even locally, this is alive, so it's good. Yeah, cool. What if no? If white plays here, the black takes, so it's okay. What about the evaluation? Black leads by 15 points. Cool. Well, I feel that this guy is around even in strength to the AI. Is around even in strength. So he could essentially just win as well. So probably somewhere around 1400s at Playok should be around even to KGS one done, I guess. And we can calculate the Fox level from there. Yeah, yeah, interesting. So maybe I just use the KJS ranks instead. That's also possible. That's kind of also possible. All right. Okay. You know, if hold on a sec. What if we play? Why can play here and threaten this group to kill? Oh, so probably needs to escape, and then I don't even know if Black has enough liberties to survive. What is this? Oh my goodness, he's going to die with this move. Or is he? Or is he? Just plays the so this is important. I think why should we just play here because only 2 liberties left here. And even if black takes these stones, it's not as big as white takes these and survives with this group. I think this is the mistake. I might be horribly wrong though. I think now white still has this option. Yeah, white needs to play here, and I think he wins the game after. Oh, this move is also good. Yeah, yeah. Now it should be like horribly losing for blacks. Yeah, white leads by 29 points. Yeah, so cool. Good for this guy, Yon912. Good for him. Good for him. Yeah. And yeah, I could resign here. Essentially, I could just resign here. Yeah, probably I'm not going to be wasting this guy's time, so should probably just resign. Yeah, because like it's miserable territories now. Doesn't make sense to play anymore. Yeah, just resign the next move. Maybe I can resign even now, I'm not sure. Yeah, white leads by 27, and there is no chance for black to get the advantage back. So I just thank you for the game, and I just resign here. Okay, player 1 resigns, which means player 2 wins. Great. So yeah, guys. Yawn 921. Let's have a look. He is 1480. He was like 1470 or something before this game. Yeah, and he won the game. I need to put the notes. Okay. So it's like 9 done. Yawn. Yeah, because I'm making this research, and despite the fact I'm recording the video, lose. I still need to put the notes. Okay. Yeah. I think this is it. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for not providing the source code for this application. But yeah, for those developers out there, I'm telling you, this is quite simple to reverse engineer the WebSocket interaction. And if you have any questions as developers on how this can be done, I can probably share the source code in private in case if you're a developer and in case if you're not going to cheat but just want to play around with this with the WebSockets. In this case, I can probably share the source code, I think. So yeah, I think that might be the case. Anyway, this is it from my side. Thanks for watching, and I don't know if I see you in the next video or not. I'm not doing much videos these days. I didn't even want to make this one, but essentially I couldn't hold because yeah, it was just too tempting to share this because this is so exciting to to have this application. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, this is so funny, but I really enjoy playing the game of Go with other people using this app that I've developed. So yeah, guys, that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.